Who's gonna do it after me?
No, not me.
All right. If I mess up my dress, buy me another one, Beatbox.
All right. Is it good and hot?
Woo!
I can see the fire coming out your mouth.
Well, they are
hot.
Oh, I was gonna lick my finger. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're gonna check out this wing place right here at the Old Prime Chicken. Let's go check it out.
We're here at the Dirty Myrtle Wing Company in Myrtle Beach, and they hadn't got their signs up, but we decided to give them a try to see what it was like. So they have your appetizers, salads, bowls, stuff for the kiddos, smash burgers and wings. And look at that, Satan sauce.
Oh, you know I've got to try that.
That reminds me of somebody.
Hey.
Now what is this?
That is a Blazing Asian. That's the Blazing Asian.
Okay. And this is the honey sriracha.
Honey sriracha. Yep. And this one is the Carolina niche fried pickles.
And we've already got into the fried pickles.
We're starving.
They call them palmetto bugs.
That's right. Carolina smash burger, yummy. And it had onions, but I sold them. Okay. Because it's gonna burn my fingers and get in my skin. Uh-oh. So if you're wondering why I've got on these devil ears, because I am about to try their Satan sauce. And it is very hot.
I think you put on a left-handed glove.
So you get to do the challenge, and it's 8 wings. 8 wings, 10 minutes, no drinks, no sauces. Can't even use ranch. And then after that, they make you sit here for 5 minutes. Well, 10 because I'll probably be drinking, but they make you sit here for 5 minutes. So, y'all ready? Hey, if I don't make it to the end of this video, come get me. All right, here we go. All righty. So should I try the hot spot? Mm-hmm. Look, who's gonna do it after me?
No, not me.
All right. If I mess up my dress, buy me another one, Beatbox.
All right. Is it good and hot?
Woo!
I can see the fire coming out your mouth.
Well, they are hot. Oh, I was gonna lick my finger.
Don't lick your fingers.
Woo!
That was one bite, right?
One bite.
Yep, I'm done.
You can't do any more?
Nope. Here, wipe my hands.
The gloves on.
Luke, are you done?
Yeah.
Here, look.
Look at her eyes watering.
Let me
I
take
got
the
you.
gloves off.
Oh God, that's hot.
Huh?
Woo. Here comes the eye water. Anybody want a wing? We got free wings over here. It's gotta be what?
You can't pull the meat off. You have to
Oh,
eat
like I did,
it
okay.
straight.
Sorry. Oh my God, my lips are still burning, but it was fun trying. We got some people in there that did that challenge. These people are great. The owners are so nice. I don't know if you can see, my lips are still on fire. But if you do happen to come down here and do the challenge, please comment below. I'd love to know how you like the wings and everything. And it's located right here beside, on the corner of, well, heck, I don't know. I can't think.
Right here on 17.
Right beside Eagles Beachwear and
And the Dairy Queen.
like if you're going to the airport and the mall and all that's down that way.
She needs milk.
Rubber ice cream.
That make it hotter?
Hold on.
Lord, look how she acted. Look
God,
how,
that's hot.
huh?
Woo. Here comes the eye water.
You gotta get throw up.
Anybody want a wing? We got free wings over here. Woo.
All right.